Good morning, friends. I am outside trying to film Betty Whiteout. Hide behind my garbage can. There she is. We got about, I don't know, probably like 10 inches of snow. And she's out here. She is getting after it. That is crazy. Look at that snow that she's tossing up there. I'm going to pan over here for a second and just show you this person because they're not going to make it. And they did not. So hopefully I do not get run over. Oh my goodness. Okay. I gotta not go live here maybe. I have to move my garbage can, but sorry, there was a little excitement behind me. Okay, there's the wind. So here's Betty. So look at that. That is pretty amazing. Now the snow today, it is very light, which is a good thing, but we are still, I can't get closer to her because she will stop because there's lots of safety built in. So I gotta kind of film from far away a little bit. However, I'm trying to bundle up here, so bear with me a second. The wind is whipping. So I'm gonna show you this. I don't know if you can see this, but we have quite a bit today. We got slammed, but that is the pathway that she made. Holy crap. I don't know, that looks like a foot. It's a lot. So you can see she got all the way down. Kip put the auger down, so she got all the way down to the driveway, which is really cool. This machine is called a Yarbo, and so if you want to Google that, you can see it. We named her Betty Whiteout because all your robots have to have a name. And we're sort of still testing these out just to make sure that they are good for our winters and our snow. Just because there've been a couple iterations of this machine, and the first iteration had some software glitches, but they've been pushing out some updates and stuff, so we've been in pretty good shape. She's working pretty good. Right now, Kip's in the house. He's working her remotely, but she can be fully autonomous, but he's playing around with her a little bit just to see kind of what her capabilities are. So that's kind of why you see her stopped at the moment, although she might be stopped because she is stuck. I'm not sure. And this is the thing. With these, we didn't run it overnight to keep up with the snow, but what you really should do is run them overnight